Hey, what's going on everybody? Lewis with Elite Fine Finish. We wanted to come to you today with a video about the Renner Wood Coating Contractor Stain Kit. We have been getting a lot of orders and a lot of questions about this product. So I figured while I'm in the shop today and about to actually make an order for a customer, I'll let you follow along and see just how easy it is to use this Renner Wood Coating stain system. So stay tuned. So if you're not familiar with the Renner Wood Coating system, it all starts with your basic colorants and your spray stain base. We give you a color chart when you order the contractor kit. It's going to give you 25 standard colors that you can make on a gram scale, and the possibilities are endless as far as custom colors once you get the color theory down and feel comfortable enough to make your own stains. It's very important that you are doing this on a scale and you're documenting it just in case you want to make more. What you're gonna notice on the Renner stain chart is we give you the formulas in liters and ounces, so you can make as little or as much as you want by simply adding to the current formula. So we're gonna make 1 gallon today. Actually, we're gonna make 4 liters today, which is almost equivalent, a little bit more than a gallon. So we're gonna make Van Dyke Brown on the chart and should be good. All right guys, so just to kind of zoom in here, this is the color that we're making is the Van Dyke Brown. This is the liter formula, tells you all of the colors. The only colors that we're actually adding to this one are gonna be red, yellow, and light walnut. So it's a very easy color to make. What I've done is I have my notes here, so I'm gonna actually take the liter column and multiply everything times 4 since we're making 4 liters. And should be a very easy color to make, and it's a very popular and common color. All right guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our container on the scale that we're gonna use to make the stain. We're gonna tare the scale. So we're going to need 2,968 grams of base. Now this is our uniforming spray stain base. You'll notice that it's white, and it's an amazing stain base, especially for woods that are difficult to stain. It keeps a very, very uniform appearance. The nice thing about the Renner colorants is that they're finely ground, so they look like wiping stains. They have a lot of depth and clarity to them, almost like a dye. Now we're gonna add 100 grams of red, so it's gonna bring our formula up to 30. $70 basically is what, since I overdid it a little bit. Okay, 30/70. Now we need 100 grams of yellow. Hopefully I have enough here, so we'll take it 3170 on the total formula. And what's nice is that the formulas always end at 1,000. So once we pour the yellow, since we only have 3 colors, we know that the rest of it is going to be our light walnut color to take it to a total of 4,000. So this formula is calling for 780 grams of the light walnut, which is brown. So once we add this yellow to 3170, we'll just add our light walnut until we get to 4,000 and it'll be done. Now what's really, really nice about this system is if you wanted to be, all the formulas start as a wiping stain, but if you wanted to add 30% of our wiping stain base, it would then become a wiping stain. Grab a little more yellow. Perfect. All right, so that's Van Dyke Brown. All we need to do now is mix it up. All right, guys, so that's it. That's all we need to do to make that Renner stain. And like I said, if we wanted to, we could add 30% of our wiping stain base to make sure that we can use it as a wiping stain. I think you'll find it pretty awesome, the results you get from using this as a spray stain and just how uniform it really is. So, hope you got something out of the video. As always, if you need anything, feel free to call the store, 832-763-0726, or visit our website, www.jassosales.com. That's JASSOSALES.com. And as always, we appreciate you. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel and have a good one.